So, are you an Amazon seller who is considering the outsourcing your PPC campaigns, or you already outsource your campaigns and are wondering how to evaluate their success and the profitability? Look no further, because in this video we will be discussing the key factors to consider when evaluating your outsourced Amazon PPC campaigns. What is outsourcing for the Amazon agencies? In the context of the Amazon agencies, the outsourcing refers to the practice of hiring external individuals or companies to perform specific tasks related to managing and growing your clients' Amazon businesses. Essentially, you are renting expertise and manpower instead of building your own in-house team for everything. Understanding the key Amazon PPC metrics essential for optimizing the campaign performance and maximizing the ROI. These metrics provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of your advertising efforts on the platform. Some of the key metrics to include, that is the CTR, measure the percentage of those users who click on your ad after seeing it. A high CTR indicates that your ad is relevant and engaging to your target audience. The next is the CPC, represents the average amount you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. Monitoring the CPC help you to manage your advertising budget effectively. The next is the conversion rate, indicates the percentage of users who complete a desired action, such as making a purchase or after clicking on your ad. A high conversion rate means your ad is effectively driving sales. The next is the ACoS, calculates the ratio of the ad spend to the sales generated. A lower ACoS indicates more efficient advertising spend and the better profitability. The next is the impressions, represents the number of times your ad is displayed to the user. Monitoring the impressions helps assesses the reach and visibility of your ads. By understanding and analyzing these key metrics, you can make an informed decision to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign for better performance and the profitability. Why is the Amazon PPC outsourcing worth your time and money? Outsourcing the Amazon PPC management is a worthwhile investment of both time and money for several reasons. Firstly, it allows you to leverage the expertise of professionals who specialize in the PPC advertising, ensuring that your campaigns are strategically optimized for the maximum results. Additionally, outsourcing frees up your time to focus on the other aspects of your business, such as the product development and the customer service. By entrusting the PPC management to experts, you can expect more efficient campaign management, better targeting, and ultimately improved ROI. Overall, the benefits of the Amazon PPC outsourcing justify the investment, providing a cost-effective solution for driving sales and increasing visibility on the platform. Let's take a simple real-life example to help you understand better. Consider a mid-sized e-commerce business selling electronics on the Amazon. They decide to outsource their PPC management to a specialized agency. Within the first 3 months, the agency increases the CTR from 1.5% to 3.2%, resulting in a 113% improvement. Additionally, they reduce the Amazon advertising cost of sales from 40% to 25%, leading to a 37.5% decrease in the ACoS. With optimized campaigns, the business sees a 50% increase in the sales revenue, driving significant improvements in performance metrics and ultimately boosting business profitability. Now let's talk about the different types of Amazon PPC packages. There are several factors to consider when choosing an Amazon PPC package, including your budget, business goals, and the target audience. Some common type of Amazon PPC packages include: number one is the hourly rate. Amazon PPC management service the hourly rate typically ranges from $20 to $60. For example, a seller outsourcing their Amazon management may pay an agency $20 per hour. This hourly rate covers the tasks such as the keyword research, campaign setup, bid optimization, and the performance metrics. Hourly rates may vary based on the agency's expertise, location, and the complexity of the campaign. Number second is the fixed price. Another alternative is the fixed price model, in which you pay your agency a monthly charge regardless of your PPC campaign growth. Advertising agencies may charge roughly around $700 to $1,000 for your e-commerce business ad campaign. The third number is the percentage for the ad spend. Agencies in this approach charge a fixed proportion of your ad spend. They may take around 15% to 20% of your advertising budget. For example, if their rate is 15% and you spend around $10,000 on the advertising each month, the agency's cost will be $1,500. To get to know about the deliverables, you can reach us through our website. So now the question is, the Amazon PPC outsourcing profitable or not? Determining the profitability of the Amazon PPC outsourcing depends on various factors, including the business goals, budget, and the quality of the chosen agency. For businesses lacking in the in-house expertise or the resources, outsourcing PPC management can be highly profitable. It allows them to access specialized knowledge, optimize the campaigns effectively, and ultimately drive sales growth on the platform. However, profitability hinges on the selecting the right agency that aligns with the business needs and the deliverable tangible results. By carefully evaluating the costs against the potential returns and considering the long-term benefit, businesses can make informed decisions about the profitability of the Amazon PPC outsourcing. Another very important aspect is how to choose the right Amazon PPC management agency. Choosing the right Amazon PPC management agency is crucial for your business's success. Here is how to make the right choice. Define your goals, experience, and the expertise. The next is the client testimonials, and then we have transparent pricing, and then the communication and the reporting. By following these steps, you can select an Amazon PPC management agency that aligns with your goals and helps drive success for your business. So in conclusion, outsourcing the Amazon PPC management can be a game changer for businesses looking to maximize their advertising effectiveness on the platform. By partnering with the experienced agencies, businesses can leverage expertise, save time and resources, and achieve better results. With a focus on transparent communication, customized strategies, and the measurable outcomes, outsourcing the PPC allows businesses to stay competitive in the ever-evolving Amazon marketplace. It's a strategic investment that can lead to increased sales, improved brand visibility, and sustained growth in the longer run. If you have any questions or the queries related to the Amazon PPC, feel free to ping us on our WhatsApp number or contact us through our website given on the screen, or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on maximizing the business profitability through the digital marketing strategies. See you in the next video.